What's up guys, RETROCENGO here, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to check this box out. Look at this, man, look at this beauty. Two wireless controllers from QuickShot. Controller, wireless game controller, model number H-5. Looks like new in box. Look at this beauty with the receiver, with two controllers, 5-button A and B, on and off switch, select start, player select. How beautiful is this? Now, at the feature list, it's just unbelievable. So in this video, usually I love to make Commodore Amiga videos, but in this video we are going to take a look at this little feature list that says that this wireless controller works with compatible with Sega, Sears, Atari, Commodore 64, Commodore Amiga, MSX and Nintendo video game systems and all sort of other stuff. Requires 4 AAA batteries, as you can see, the Nintendo here, Sega over here. So what we're going to do in this episode is actually, of course, plug it into my lovely Amiga 1200. And you all know how honest I am. If this one is laggy because of the wireless control, then I'm gonna tell you everything about it, how much it is. But if it works fine, then I'm gonna tell you everything about how cool it is. So I'm 100% honest when I make my reviews. So before we start with the Amiga, I can tell you that I just got this beautiful Nintendo over here, Nintendo Entertainment System with some games. Now the controller on these Nintendos are like this. They're not joysticks, they're joypads. And I'm a 90s kid. I grew up with the Commodore 64, the Amiga, and I played with the joystick, not with the joypad. This is, when I want to jump, I want to push upwards on my joysticks. But on Mario, you have to push one of the buttons. So it's odd for me. So for my Nintendo gaming, I'm using this lovely QuickShot joystick here. This one is one of the joystick I had for my Amiga 600 back then. Great stuff. Now this one has the plug for the Sega 8-bit system. And this joystick has fire here, start here, select here, and auto fire here. Oh, I love this. So when I play shoot 'em up games on my Nintendo Entertainment System, I just plug in this lovely card. It has got 500 games in one, all the cool shoot 'em up games and stuff like that. My favorite game for the Nintendo Entertainment System is this one, Mega Man 2. Actually, it's the only game I played as a little kid, so it's great stuff. So when I want to play my Nintendo, it's with a joystick, not a joypad. So let's go ahead and unbox this beauty and take a closer look at it. Let's just move this Nintendo stuff just a bit over here and unbox this, guys. This is pure awesomeness. I mean, everything boxed, beautiful box. Look at this. Woo. All right, can you see? Let me just adjust the camera just a bit. Sorry. There we go. All right, guys. Oh, great stuff. Look at this. Look at this. A lot of tape. Wow! What's this? Slow motion. All right, start, select, player 1, player 2, select. Oh, that's nice. Power off, auto fire off. Okay, how cool is that? And 2 buttons. For the Amiga, we will use 1 button, but it has got auto fire, and you can just turn the joypad off. It will It uses 4 AAA batteries. Oh man, it looks like new. It's QuickShot model number QS127. Great stuff. So let's see how awesome this product is. How cool is this, guys? I mean, in 2021. So as you can see, it has got the plugs for the Commodore 64, Atari, Amiga, and stuff like that. And these two are for the Nintendo Entertainment System. How cool is this? So this one gets powered through the Amiga. And as you can see, it has got ABC, which stands for Sega, MSX, and Atari Commodore. So we have to, yeah, it's on C already. So this, I'm looking forward to trying this one out, guys. Wow. Usually when they have been used, you can see some sort of dust here, but man, it looks clean. It looks beautiful. I'm just checking if it has got some residue from batteries, but it looks clean and like brand spanking new. Let's connect everything and try this one out. I can't wait. Batteries are inserted. And the receiver is connected to the Amiga over there. So it's time for, I don't know if I should use A or B, auto fire off. Oh, it works. Okay, now I'm gonna see how it reacts when I press, is it laggy? If it's laggy, I'm gonna throw it out of the window. But if it works, oh man. Wait, we're gonna try one of the best games for the Amiga, guys. Let me see here. Turkane. Alright. So let's just go in. Man, it feels good. I wanna get far from the Amiga, so we have got some. What do we have? Turkane. We have Turkane 2. Go. I'm pressing B. Let's see what's gonna happen here. No cables. And a joypad, not a joystick. Again, I'm a huge fan of joysticks, not joypads. So, yeah, let's see what's gonna happen now, guys. Alright. I'm far back, about 1.5 meter from the receiver. Okay. You can decide here, you can see. Wait. Just give me a second, guys. Didn't we have auto fire? What does this slow motion do? I don't know. Oh. Oh. Let me just play it. Just give me 30 seconds, okay? Just give me 30 seconds. Just want to get the feeling of when I jump and stuff like that. How nice is this? Oh, wireless gameplay on the Amiga 1200. Oh. Oh. I mean, guys, this works. It works incredibly nice. Jump and look at this, man. Look when I jump, it's just. Oh! Oh, I thought it was a dead end down there. it's enjoyable, it's playable, it's not... I was a bit concerned about, you know, lagginess, but... Oh. Wow. I'm impressed. I must say, whoa. Sorry, it feels so odd to have your arm strengthened out. Guys, this is absolutely wow. It works so well. And I love the auto fire also, and oh, come on over here. Yo! Can I jump on his gun? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Wow. Look, when I jump, it's not laggy, man. Look at this. Jump. Jump. Jump to this side. Absolutely. Can I do this? Yes. Oh, nice. And jump into the side and absolutely amazing. I love it. Let me just go back. I wanna go back about 3 meters. Let me see if this works. Back here. Okay, I'm about 3.5 meters back now. Man, it works amazing. Both buttons do the same thing, and I have about 3.5 meters from the screen now. And it's not like, you know how I am. If stuff doesn't work, I'm gonna tell you about it. I don't keep anything back. Oh, oh. I like this. Wow. I mean, for a guy that wants to, you know, play wireless Amiga, this is a great solution. Wow, man. Nice! Let's go ahead and plug in the Nintendo Entertainment System. I mean, guys, Amiga, Polar Chip, nothing beats it. Nothing comes close to it, man. Oh, just listen to the music. Whoa! Whoa! Oh man, I love this game. I love the music. I love Amiga. Whoa. Fishies. Oh. Guys, on the Amiga, it works great. Now, I don't play that well because I'm used to the joystick, but fully recommended by RETROCENGO. You know how I am. It's absolutely a joy to use. I can't stop playing this game. What's going on, man? Helpful. Oh. What? Oh, okay, this way. It's 10 out of 10. I love it. Let me just plug in the Nintendo Entertainment System and yeah, let's enjoy it. Every time I insert a game on the Nintendo Entertainment System, it feels like, you know, VHS tape. Okay, so it's time for some Nintendo gameplay, and I didn't grow up with a joypad, didn't grow up with a Nintendo, so... Oh, start. Okay, there we go. So, if the gameplay is this, then you know it's all about me. It's nothing with the joypad, but timing. Timing. Oh, this game is maybe the best game to test it with because... okay, shoot here, jump here, okay. So let's see how it goes here. Playing with this wireless controller, guys. Oh. Okay. Oh! Let me just play for a minute, okay. I love the music. I love this game. This is actually the only Nintendo game I played at my friend's house. Of course, I watched Super Mario 1. Didn't play it that much, but this one I was just hooked. I always wanted this game on my Amiga 600. Ugh. Oh, nice. That didn't give life. Oh, maximum life. Hey, we have autofire also. Let me just test that. Ah, nice. Come on. It's nice with autofire, guys. Okay, autofire off. Yeah. I mean, how cool is that, man? So let's see over here. Ah. I'm not that good of. Wait, man, we need health, right? Here we need auto fire. It's so nice. I mean, oh, jump. How do I get up there? Okay, that I can't. You can hear me pressing and it I don't know, it doesn't feel laggy, it feels nice. I don't think about, I have no cable on this one, but the size, it's much bigger and it's just so much better in my hand. Wow, I love it. I love it much better than the original Nintendo controller. And no hate, I love Nintendo. Wow, it's my fault. It's so hard for me to play this game. Uh-oh, I'm gonna... Whoa. I mean, the controller works fine. Absolutely fine. Oh, that's energy, I remember that. Oh, that's nice. Oh, the joypad, should I call it joypad? Yeah, the joypad works fine. Ah! How can I kill this guy? Oh, you need to shoot the head. Oh, nice. That was on me. Alright guys, thank you for watching. It works amazing. I absolutely love this. So if you see one of these on, I don't know, on eBay, whatever, for your Amiga, for your Commodore 64, Heat Man, Bubble Man, Quick Man. Oh man, it's pure greatness. For your Sega, for your Nintendo Entertaining System, go ahead and buy it, guys. It's incredible, and it works with 4 batteries. And for the Amiga, true and true, it was great. Here on the Nintendo, it's so accurate, guys. Look at this. Just look at this. Jump and shoot. Look at this. How nice it is, man. I like it. Ooh. Oh. Oh no. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day out there. Bye.